morning students. Today we will do our writing skills part, or we will move with our writing skill part. So our first topic we are taking is advertisement. As you know, we are seeing a lot of advertisement everywhere, like on the while walking on the road. We can see the hoardings, yeah, in the newspapers, through televisions, in the mobiles also we can see so many ads are shown in the net, like in the magazines also, in the books so many books are there. So nowadays advertisement has become the medium to sell, or to buy, or for vacancy, for requirement, for wanted, lost, found, then for matrimonials, so many things. That means we can see so many things we are doing through advertisements. You can see in front of you also some ad is given, like don't drive two wheelers without a helmet, and one more is there, that is 365 days job solutions are there. So in this way you can see the ads are given here, and advertisement is saying about itself: stop, stay, listen and look at me. I am an advertisement. I do take care of your smartness. Then I can impress you, I can persuade you. Moreover, I can stop you. Think positive about me, no matter who am I. Aren't? Then the advertisement is mentioned. I have high hope that one day I will knock at your door. I am optimistic. So in this way you can see it has explained about itself through the introduction by itself. Now you can see the meaning of that, like advertising is a form of communication used to encourage or persuade or an audience, viewers, listeners, readers, sometimes a specific group of people, to continue or take some new action. So in this way you can see some way is there. So through links also you can like advertisement is having some objectives. So the objectives are making the people aware. We are giving, through advertisement we can give knowledge to the people. Through advertisements we can come to know the likings of the people or the customers. Through advertisements we can find out the preference of the people, what they want, or which type of things they want. Yeah, we can say what is the requirement of them, what things were lost, what things were found, so on. Now some through our advertisements we can convict the people to purchase or persuade them to do this and do that. Okay, and through advertisement we can do the selling also, and the people, the customer and the buyers used to purchase so many things through advertisements. Reasons for advertisements, you can say increasing the sales of the product or service, then creating and maintaining a brand identify or brand image, communicating a change in the existing product line, introduction of a new product or service. Now increasing the buzz value of the brand or the company. That means you can see that there are so many reasons for advertisements, like increasing the sales of the product or service. That means so many things we can see, like the manufacturers are manufacturing so many things, the industries are manufacturing so many things, and you are producing so many things, so they want to sell the things in the market, so they are using advertisement. Yeah, through advertisement they are selling their products. Sometimes people used to sell their services or do their advertisement of the services also, like some caterers are there. Through their advertisement they can inform that we are the caterers, we can we can prepare meals, or prepare food and serve for you whenever parties are there, whenever you are conducting any birthday party, any marriage functions in your home. So in this way you can see so many people are using the things to sell the product as well as services. Now creating and maintaining a brand identity or brand image. That means through advertisements we can create as well as we can maintain a brand identity. Okay, that means through advertisement a brand is identified the people by the people, like you know about the Lux soap, which has been become the brand soap of our country, we can say, as it has been advertised through so many celebrities of our film line. So the people used to purchase that soap as a brand only. Now communicating a change in the existing product line. That means the product line is using advertisement as a communication path or communicating, and through communication only they are changing the existing product line also. So many people want to change the product line, like some people are selling something and then they are changing the things into another product. Now introduction of a new product or service, like if anyone is inventing any new product in the market, they are doing this introduction of that new things in the market through advertisement only. Like nowadays they are the mobile phones are introduced through so many advertisements. Like you nowadays varieties of mobiles or qualities of mobiles are made by the mobile factories or companies, so they are advertising that product through advertisements only. Whatever new products they are making, they are immediately advertising. And services also, like services like Amazon, Flipkart, and also many services also they are making the people to get the things at their home. So this also they are doing through advertisements, increasing the buzz value of the brand or the company. That means through this advertisement only they are increasing their value of the brand, as well as they are making the company to grow up. Some sources are there, so through which they are making the link and sending the things. Now advertisements are made from so many means. Yeah, it has been done through so many means. Like means of an advertisement, you can see mass media, okay, then newspaper, then magazines, brochures, then television commercial, radio advertisements, coffee cup advertising, street advertising. So these are the means through which you can do the advertisements. Now other means of advertisements also there, like a outdoor advertisement, direct mall advertisement is a blog advertisement we can do, celebrity branding, then websites are there, pamphlets are there, synagogue is there, then your billboards, kiosks, trade shows and events. So these are also the means of an advertisement. Now you can see the advertisement should have what things. Yeah, types of advertisements are there. They are matrimonial advertisements, buying and selling, then situations, vacant, educational, then found lost, commercial. Under commercial you can see advertised products, announce events, competitions, festivals and invitations. That means types of advertisement. In types of advertisement we can see a lot of advertisement we can do for variety of things. Like matrimonials, if the people are not getting married, they are doing the advertisements through this matrimonial advertisement. If the people want to sell and buy, then they are using advertisement for selling and buying. If the vacancy is there or the requirement is there, they are doing this through situations vacant. Educational means some people are want to study, so they want a good institution. So through the advertisements only they are getting the educations also. Even online courses are there, so that also they are getting through advertisements. Now found lost, so many people are losing something, so many people are founding something, so they are doing this all things through advertisements, that they should get the lost and found things. Under commercial you can see advertising is done for products also, announcement for events. Some events are conducted for earning doing business or earning money also. Competitions are done or held in the cities, towns, etc., festivals and invitation. So these all type of things are done through advertisements only. So these were the types of advertisement you can see. Next you can see the ad. Here it is mentioned here, Eastern Delights. It is about a restaurant with a very attractive manner they have made these all things. Okay, next one you can see, that is about some tour and all. So these all things are mentioned with the examples. Now educational, it is mentioned like MBA, BBA, these all things you can do. Then matrimonial is there, matrimonial advertisement is given. Then your lost, found, etc. is there. Then you can see about the admissions of the things and all. You can see that direct new admissions are there. And you can see education mart is there. Then intersolar, that means products they are selling, etc., etc. Now you can see in advertisement what should be there. The contents in advertisement, like pictures should be there, subject matter of advertisement should be there, slogans, metaphor, use of advertisement or adjective that it is like you can mention that it is having a good quality. Yeah, it is qualitative, etc., etc. Name of issuing authority, then institute, organization, which authority is producing this. Yeah, which institute is producing this, which organization is involved in producing this thing, and is, etc., etc. Now you have to mention the contact, email ID or address, mobile number for in the advertisement, that they can contact you and give the advertisement. The language and style of advertisements, you can see it should be short and eye-catching phrases. punchline should be there, language of common man should be there, and flowery words. That means the word should look, that means feel like it's very sweet and nice. So you can see the advertisement of matrimonial, it is given with the question, and it is very nicely mentioned inside the box. All of you know that the advertisement is written inside the box only, and it should not exceed 50 words. The minimum limit of and minimum and maximum limit of the advertisement is 50 words, you can see. So this was our writing skills part, that is advertisement. I think you got everything, or got the concept, and your concept is clear through this. So thank you students. Have a